Here's how to post multiple pictures in one Instagram post. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now tap the plus icon at the top left corner. Now select post option. So from here, if you try selecting photos one by one, you will notice they aren't all selected together. So now to fix this, tap the select button and from here choose as many photos you just want to upload. Once you are done selecting, tap next. And here you can edit each photo individually. Just tap on a photo to resize it or apply different editing. So when you're satisfied, just tap done and hit next again and share your post from here. So using this method, you can upload up to 20 photos in a single post on your timeline. And that's how you can easily post multiple pictures in your one Instagram post. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.